Hello everyone, today I will be discussing about WOBKEY Zen65. Let's do a quick unboxing and see what the accessories it comes with. We get a switch puller combo and braided cable. Its quality is too good. We get some extra switches, and these switches are Kyle linear switches. We get extra two type of mounting style and extra keycaps. After that, we get our desired keyboard. The quality of the carry case is good enough. We don't get any dust cover, but this bag will help us to prevent it from the dust. In this small bag, we get our desired keyboard. Let's cut the poly with a knife. The keystrokes are nice enough and it's good. Its build is solid and it's a CNC aluminum build, and we have another color combination in the back side and it's look premium. It only comes in the ultra version. On the back side we get a badge, and inside the badge we get our 2.4 GHz dongle, and the keyboard is tri-mode, so we can use it via Bluetooth 2.4 GHz and we can also use it via wired mode. I have used the extra keycaps and it looks better now. The board is easy to disassemble and it comes with a ball catch mechanism. Moreover, it comes with a magnetic connector and it has no wire, so it's fun to disassemble this one. The board is full of silicone and gasket mount, so it's stocky. We get a brace inside the keyboard and I guess it's 236 grams. Let's do a quick sound test of this board. its sound is talky and deep enough, and I like this keyboard very much. Thanks everyone for watching this video.